Hey guys, what's up? So this is a video guide for the module Sales Navigator Account Profile Scraper. And what this module does is you will basically input a bunch of Sales Navigator account profile URLs, which is another term for Sales Navigator company profile URLs. And this module will go ahead and scrape all data about these companies from Sales Navigator and output that data in the form of a CSV for you. So, for each account profile URL, you can expect the following uh, data fields to be the output. So you'll get the company's name, the company's LinkedIn profile, the headline, the description, the industry, the company's website URL, the size, the headquarters, the company type, founded year, all the addresses mentioned on LinkedIn, then the email address, the phone number, and the URL if it's present in the company's uh, LinkedIn profile summary. So as far as the way to set up this module goes, you need to provide two inputs here. The first will include a Google Sheet house URL. So you need to create a Google Sheet that will house all the Sales Navigator account URLs in column A. Then give this column a header and share that Google Sheet, copy the link, and where you will also need to give the LinkedIn session cookie as the input. For the output, for each company, you get the following fields as we discussed above. Then we also have a couple of, we have the complete steps to set up this module. So you'll find a rich documentation here, including GIFs and, and video. You'll also get the video tutorial, which is this video that you're watching right now, and that will go here. So let's click on use this module and see how the setup process is like and what's the how the results like. So to set up this module we need to fill this form, and the first field on this form is the LinkedIn session cookie. So let's go to linkedin.com and click on right click anywhere on the page and click on inspect. Let's click on these double arrows. Let's then click on application, click on cookies, click on linkedin.com, click on LIAT, and copy this value corresponding to LIAT here. Jump back to the form and paste this value here. One important caveat to run this module or any other module on a platform which involves Sales Navigator is that you need to provide the session cookie for the account that has the active Sales Navigator license to it. So all modules which concerns Sales Navigator would not work if you provide a LinkedIn session cookie where there is no Sales Navigator license to that account. So moving forward, we need to provide the Google Sheet URL. So I've I've already created one Google Sheet here. I have kept all the Sales Navigator account profiles in column A, and I've also given this column this name, this header, and I'm now gonna click on share and copy this link. Make sure the configuration is anyone on the internet with this link and view. And let's copy this link and click on done. Let's go back to the form and paste this link under the field Google Sheet URL. Let's go back to for the next field on the form is Google Sheet column name. So I've kept the column name header as Sales Navigator account profiles. So I'm going to copy this and paste this in the form. Number of Google Sheet rows to process. So currently we have only 5 rows here. So let's put the number 5, and then you enter the email address where you want the result file to be sent. So if you configure the module and you close the platform, once this module has completed the job, it will send you an email with the result file attached. So you mention that email here, and to move forward, let's click on next. You'll see this button toggle between run and stop. So it's currently looking for previous logs for this or previous failed runs with this configuration. So since this is the first time we are setting up this module, we don't have any failed attempts here. So let's click on run to finally launch this module, and you will see a couple of logs getting generated here. uh, so as per the logs, currently this module has logged into the the LinkedIn profile, and it has picked up the required number of 5 inputs, and it's currently uh, scraping these 5 account profiles, and it's in the process right now. So once so it's already done. You will see this button shift from stop to run, indicating that this module has completed the job. And now you can click on result to download the file. Make sure you're waiting for this module to come back to the run position from the stop position, and then only you download the result file. Because if you do that before, if you download the result file while the module is in the process, that CSV would be empty and you won't find the results. So make sure the module has completed the job, and then only download the result file. So let's go to the sheet again, and I've created a new tab here, uh, which is called the result tab, and I'm going to import the file here. So let's click on import, and let me upload this CSV here. Let's click on append to current sheet and import data. So it has scraped the 5 account profile URLs, and for each account profile URL, we have the corresponding LinkedIn company profile URL. We have the company's website, we have the company's industry, we have their staff count, which is the number of people associated with that company on LinkedIn. Then we have the company's phone number. If it's there in the about or the contact info tab, then we have the company's founded year, or the tagline of the company, the company's LinkedIn description. We have the country, the geographic area, city, and a bunch of columns, combining to form the complete address of the company. Then we have the company's name. We have the employee count band here. Then we have the company type, whether the company is public or privately held. Then we have the company's LinkedIn follow account. We have the company's logo image URL. We have the company's specialty, and then we have the company's email if there are some emails, uh, that are present on the page. So that's the entire module. You supply a bunch of Sales Navigator account profile URLs, and this module goes ahead and scrapes those URL for all the data about that company from LinkedIn. If you have any questions while setting up this module, you can contact us by dropping a line at support@datachroma.com, and we'll help you out. Thank you.